Museum exhibit here in Miami, Florida. Check it out. We are in the Traveling Mummies exhibit. Check this out. It's weird. So something about this touring, traveling mummy museum is everything is actually real, like real mummies, real dead bodies. So shrunken heads are actually a real thing down in the Amazon. They would take the bones out of the head and then heat it up in this Hindu drink thing to shrink it, and they would wear it behind or on their neck or on a spear. And it's usually the people that they kill. It's crazy, dog. All right, so if you, I don't know which video you're watching, but if you're watching the Frost Museum one, we just left the Mummies touring part of that, and I'll link it and you can check that full video out. But now we're actually going to check out the museum.